Partnering with Biology in a Box, 4-H Youth Development presents the 4-H Connected Box. Unit 1, Introduction to 4-H. Exploring 4-H. Four Corners Game. Digging Deeper. Unit 2, Safety. Wear a mask and hand washing. Spray what? And a handout. Illuminating germs. Glow germ activity. Unit 3, Forestry, Wildlife, and Fisheries. Friendly forest. And handout. Identifying animal signs. Unit 4, Behavior. Probability. Slap snack alarm.
This is my friend Sydney. Sydney and I know that animals are looking for the good or nutritious food to eat and trying to stay away from the bad, poisonous, or venomous food.
Slap snack mimic.
Your goal is to be smart predators and avoid the model species and identify the mimics or non-mimics.
What's that smell? Unit 5, Entomology. Incredible, astonishing insects. Insectapalooza. Digging deeper. Unit 5, Soils. The power of plants.